Yo, Kawasaki Diary, hit y'all with another entry out here. I'm over here at the place where I took my MSF class. It is crazy because I'm coming full circle. They even got the lines on the ground out there for the different tests. Anyway, I'm coming full circle. I started out with Harley Davidson, taking my test through them. The dealership is no longer around. I think it folded or moved or something over in Ocean County, Harley Davidson. And I took the test on the street 500, which was a piece of junk. The thing wouldn't go into gear, it was abused, wouldn't go into neutral. I failed the first time at the very last portion of the test. Came back with a different class, not my friends. My friends moved on that I made in the first class. Passed the class, got the Ninja 250, which was a cool bike. The old school joint, the one that been around since the day of the dinosaurs. Then I turned around and got the Harley Bug, and I got the Harley Davidson Iron 883. And then I turned around after that and got the Kawasaki Ninja 600 over there. So what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be doing some flybys. We're going to be doing some speed runs and some tests, some maneuvers and everything. So stay tuned for that. Deuces.
Subscribe, click on the bell, like, comment, share.
Clap, clap. Speed run test. Here we go. Oh man, that was kind of crazy. That was kind of crazy. That was kind of crazy. Woo. That was kind of crazy. That was kind of crazy, boy. Yo, that was kind of crazy. Had the visor open and everything. Alright, we out of here. I did a couple of these rips. Those was cool though. That was cool. That was cool. I gotta be careful with gravel out here. Alright, we hurting them now. Alright, that's enough. They can't take it no more. They can't take it no more. They like, man, you just being too much now, man. You just too awesome. You gotta get out of here, boy. You too awesome. You taking up all the awesomeness. Alright, we out. Yeah, man. Alright, let's go find something to do. Let's go find something to do. Find some place to go. That was fun though. God, that was so fun. There's a few more I did off camera. Making a bunch of racket out here. I love it. Alright, I'm going to go get lost somewhere. That's what I'm going to do. That's what my plan is. Let's go get lost. Alright. Okay. Woohoo! Oh, look, I'm under the birds. I'm under the birds. I don't know if that has some spiritual meaning, but I am under the birds. America Avenue. Oh yeah, all of these are signs. I'm going to the beach, bump it. We going to the beach. God, I love sport bikes. What was I doing on a cruiser? What was I doing on a cruiser? Oh my God, come on now. Why was I on a cruiser? I must have been ignorant to the fact. I gotta admit, I was scared of sport bikes. They had a negative connotation I thought it was scary, the speed and everything, and they always crashing and like, you know, it's dangerous going that fast. But you know what? It's only as dangerous as the idiot at the controls. I mean, you know, I could go fast on this thing, 160, and I got scared and wanted to go more. I was just a speed run. Or you can chill and relax on here and cruise like it's a freaking cruiser. You know what I'm saying? It's like, what? Like, you got the power there, you don't got to use it every waking moment. You can just chill. The thing is, this is a 636. So in this, I have a 250. In this, I have a 600. In this, I have a 300. In this, I have a 400. It's like, so I don't have to go to 636. I could just chill as a 250. I could chill as a 300. I could chill as a 400. All of that is in this engine. That's what I'm saying. Alright, I'm looking out behind me here. Alright. Oh shoot, I didn't even do my series. I got caught up with doing like pull-offs and speed runs and trying to practice burnouts. I ain't even shoot my How to Ride series. Oh well. Hey. Maybe it just wasn't meant to be. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Well, I am good. I'm good. I'm feeling good right now, boy. This is nice. I ain't even got no backpack on or nothing. I'm just feeling good. I'm feeling awesome. I'm feeling free. I'm good. She sounded good. She sounded so good. Oh shoot, nigga, what did you, what? About to run into a whole car. Jeez. Hey, you two out here is crazy. How you not gonna see a whole car? So you know I better be watching out. They about to hit a whole car around here. Liquid or something on the streets. I ain't running over that. I like to park to the side, give me a little escape route. I'm looking at my rearview mirror. There's some kind of Hyundai or something behind me. He's not on my tail. He's giving me some space, so that's good. That's where I am. Can y'all figure out where I'm at? Y'all recognize those towns? Route 70 east west. What? Going to the shore. I'll be sure. Better get off for your own, girl. Better get off for your own. Girl. I'll be sure. Okay, I don't know why that happened though. It did. It did happen. I'm not gonna pretend it did. I'm just saying that we all have to come together as a people and prevent that from happening again. There is a secret beach. Oh my God, I just remembered that I'm on the wrong street. I haven't been there in a minute. Gosh, I don't know how to get there. I should put it in my GPS, but too late now. The thrill is past. We'll go there next time. We'll go there on the next one. But yeah, I just remember that driveway to get to the beach is like gravel and stuff. But I haven't been in a minute. I don't know if they paved it, so I don't know. Could be dangerous, could not be. I'm gonna give respect to these cars. I ain't gonna shoot them or try to jump over there because they are bigger than me, and I am on unfamiliar ground, too far away to walk. So go ahead, cars. Go. I have no ego. I keep messing with this GoPro. I hope this junk is... There we go. Is this good? Is that better view? Yeah, this is my go-to gear right here. The third. Yeah, third is happy. Third does everything. It pulls, it engine brakes, it goes up hills, it goes to 80. Yeah, third is my gear for cruising. Yeah, I'm cruising in third. Oh, I feel like my underwear is showing. I'm getting a little breeze back there. Hold on. Oh, they hooked that Dunkin' Donuts up since the pandemic. I used to frequent there. Oh, the pizza store, they still there? Oh, that's so good. I used to go there too. Their pizza is so good. I'm glad to see that people survived this whole pandemic. I don't know, it depends on what side of the fence you fall under. You fall to the left or right, wherever you think. Planned, unplanned, combination of both.